Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Mixpanel versus Hotjar. Whether you are building a SaaS product, running a marketing website, or improving your e-commerce funnel, understanding your users is key. But should you use Mixpanel or Hotjar? They both help with user analytics, but in very different ways. Let's break it down in a detailed, beginner-friendly way. Mixpanel is a product analytics tool. It tracks what users do inside your product or app, clicks, signups, purchases, feature usage, and it focuses on events, funnels, retention, and cohorts. Mixpanel is ideal for product teams tracking feature usage and SaaS companies measuring onboarding or conversion funnels. Mobile app developers analyzing in-app events, growth marketers who need detailed behavioral data. Mixpanel strength advanced event tracking across web and mobile, deep funnel and cohort analysis, strong retention and engagement insights, and work with well data teams, SQL export APIs. Mixpanel limitations can be complex to set up, requires dev input, no visual recordings or qualitative feedback, and it may feel overwhelming for non-analysts. While Hotjar is a behavior analytics and feedback tool, it shows how users behave visually, where they click, how they scroll, where they get stuck, and it includes heat maps, session recordings, and surveys. Hotjar is ideal for UX or UI designers improving page layouts, marketers optimizing landing pages or checkout flows, and startups gathering quick user feedback and agencies doing client size audits. Hotjar's strength super easy to install and start using. Heat maps show you what grabs attention, and session replays help spot a frustration or confusion, and surveys and polls collect real user feedback. Hotjar limitations are no true event tracking or product analytics, limited for mobile apps, and not built for long-term behavioral trends or retention analysis. So basically, this is the difference between Mixpanel and Hotjar. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.